see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Good morning guys, ang aga namin, mag 5:45 or 5:55 na. Yeah, coming back. Just putting perfume. Okay, alis na kami.
And ask people, do they think I'm mad?
Definitely are mad.
Well, we'll find out. Also, all thanks to Club
Ito
4x4.
isa ka, di ba? Ang dilim pa.
Competition. Visit
Kaya super aga ko guys.
applications for your 4x4.
And we also get in deep into the Queensland outback.
Stop muna kami dito sa gasolinahan.
Did you want one, Zach?
Para bumili ng drinks nila. Yeah? Powerade?
Nah, right, go.
Okay, go kuya. Anto pang lahat. Dito na pala kami guys. Malapit na. Papasok pa lang. Ah, si Jan daw.
There you go.
Oh, hala, it's still close. Hala, are you sure here?
Yeah.
Naglaro din daw dito si Jan nung nakuha rin siya maglaro for Interleague.
Huh?
Hala, okay. Maybe that one. No one's there yet, honey.
There is people there, but why? How do you get into it?
Maybe on the other side?
The hockey one, you reckon?
7:50 kasi dapat nandito na si
No,
Kuya. 7:20 na. Yung team niya magkikita-kita sila 7:50. There's no other way, honey.
Yeah, I know.
Yan, look again.
Well, I was going to go in that way, Matt.
Sports Center.
Yeah, I know that, babe.
Ito, tama na itong pinasukan namin. Sarado kasi yung gate doon. May gate naman doon pero sarado. Doon tayo sa kabila pa. Naracot United Soccer Club. What is a soccer club? Tennis, football, over there. Not this one. May arrow naman. Yeah, they have tennis court.
You have to pay.
Yeah, we have to pay.
Just the trees.
Huh? $10 each. Good football, netball, and tennis clubs.
We're at the netball court, Chandler.
Home of the Demons.
Oh, you?
Have a look around. Where are they?
We're in the
Probably
away
the back one.
changes. Where's the...
Yeah. Nakahanap
If
tayo
you go past
ng...
the Messi.
Yeah, it's big. Well, it's just...
I reckon we should park up the back here.
Why back, huh?
Because we'll sit up high and watch it.
And then when the cars comes in,
No, I'm
and then...
starting to get it. So if you sit up here,
Yeah, but
Not in front of the pole.
like if you sit up here, you get a good view.
you think so?
Yeah, a good view up here.
Alright, it's up to you. Follow where the car is. What? You don't want to
Because
be in
we'll
the
be down like that too much down
Oh,
there.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, in the middle.
Well, that's perfect.
No, it's not really.
Huh? How much fern go for us?
Yeah, it's just. Hi, good morning, Baba. Nakatulog siya. Okay. May dala akong cupcakes. Muffins. Yung buhok ko. Blinower ko to kagabi. Diba? Binasa ko siya kagabi. Nag-ready lang sila. Where are you, sir? Hindi sila makalabas. Kasi
Clear.
yeah, umuulan pa eh. Ito yung sa Lux Cosmetics, and this is, sino nga to? Kilala nyo yan. Kalimutan ko lang. Hindi kasi tayo hindi pa ako nakakapag-live. Gusto ko na mag-live, kaso nga, sobrang busy lang namin. Hindi ko ba ang buhok ko? Mag-cut na tayo.
What are you watching?
Look at your dad. Zach. Your dad.
Oh, no.
Do you like his outfit, Zach? Ha? Nag-shopping si Jan na hindi kami kasama. Yung suit niyang from head to toes, lahat yan bago. Nag-shopping daw siya nung couple weeks ago daw. Sabi ko, bakit hindi ko nakita? Kasi nga, iso-surprise kita. Itong brand na to, very known sa Australia. Hindi ko nga siya kilala. Sabi niya, RM Williams. Sabi ko, anong RM Williams? Sabi, this is RM Williams. Sabi ko, what shop is that? RM Williams. Sabi ko, sabi ko, hindi ko yan nakikita. Sabi niya, this is known for farmers. Pero ang ganda niya. As in, siya, stylish siya na puffer jacket, jumper, jeans. Yan nga lang, siya, may kamahalan silang brand kasi very known na brand siya sa Australia. Ayan, tingnan.
I can put my feet in the middle.
Okay. Ito yung dala nating may dala rin ako dito na yung aking fiber. Lalagyan ko to ng tubig mamaya. Ay, ang bango. Si Zach kumain kagabi. Tikman niya lang. Ayaw na nga ni daddy niya kasi dapat matulog siya. Hindi siya umalis sa sa kusina hanggat hindi niya tikman. Sabi niya, sige na, kagat lang. Hindi niya kinagat. Halos maubos niya. Okay, muna ako, mag-lipstick tayo, guys. Maglagay man lang tayong something. Excited, boys?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Me too, I'm scared.
Yeah, like, what's it?
Tim now, young.
You should listen with your boys, Bev.
Hey?
You should listen what they're saying
What do they
each
say
other.
now?
Like about the game because they're gonna
Boys,
verse each other.
there's going to be people here today. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, do your best. All out. Kasi malaki din tong
Bloody
guys.
muddy.
Yeah, so Interleague is malaking din siya.
I'm not coming back in. Same up.
Huh?
So,
You're going? Why?
750.
Where are you going?
I need to go get photos.
You've got to get photos.
Okay. See you. Good luck,
Yep.
Kuya.
Good luck, Mayane!
Love you. 750. Kuya. Yeah, maraming dito mga alam mo na yun, mga spy. Titingin sila ng mga bata. Kasi hindi madali rin makapasok sa Interleague, guys. Mapili ka nga lang na mag-train is malaking bagay na. Tapos tuting na makasama ka pa sa mapili ka na isa ka sa team ng Interleague is super big achievement yun. Kaya nakakatuwa. Kasi syempre, hindi lang isa kundi dalawa yung anak ko ang maglalaro dito sa Interleague. Yun nga lang, maglalaban sila sa isa't isa kasi nga magkaiba silang club. Magkaiba silang
One
club.
can have chocolate muffin.
Not yet, Bob. It's too early. Doon na si Kuya.
비가 내리면 자연스레 너를 떠올려 따스해지니까 Don't know how I can explain
Yeah, righto. Like fast, like real fast and skillful. Yeah, no, it's good. So where's the netball ones? So I think that's where the Zach is. The netball change rooms. That's Will's dad. Not Will's dad. Cards
Kaj.
White's dad.
Ah.
Who TJ always hangs with.
Oh,
And the
okay.
other one's
So they
Brett
just
Hosking, which is Will, who TJ hangs with too.
so they come together in one car.
Yeah. Come on, Zach.
Go Seki.
We can go hard when it's your turn. Just get into them.
Hey, do you want to win Zach or TJ?
None cruel. There's
Yeah.
No argument.
Yeah, hope so.
I don't think
Dad, I
South
want
East
this
are going to go
one.
anywhere near Western Border. They're just too
Why?
big and there's too big,
So,
too quick. They're all good.
if I get my
Oh, soccer is there,
That's
right?
right, Zach.
kick goals,
That's
Yeah,
right.
right. Just go hard. Just use
Just-
your speed, but get the ball first, then
Before,
speed,
yeah.
not speed and ball.
Ball,
Because you can't
yeah.
do it. You're too fast.
Are you listening, Saki, to your coach?
And just like I said, demand it. Yell out when it's there.
Yeah,
Yes,
loud.
Give it.
Yeah, loud.
Give it, I said.
Don't say.
Yeah, tell them. Why you give it?
Oh,
Tell them. He's Dan. Thought he said he was coming today.
ah. Yung mag-ama, naghaharutan dun. Oh. Si Zach, dito si Zach, naiinip na si Zach. Kasi mamaya pa siya eh. What time do you have to meet them, Zach? 9:30. So 8:24 pa lang. And dala ko yung laptop kasi gumagawa ako ng thumbnail. Kasi nakapag-edit ako kagabi after ko mag-bake. Oh, habang nasa oven yung ating muffins, nag-try ako mag-edit. Ayan, tapos na siya. Thumbnail na lang. Babe, close the window. It's freezing. Saan yun yung window? Lumabas siya. Hindi niya sinara yung...
Beautiful out here.
Yes. Wow. You're so guapo, Han. Is that leather too, honey?
You thought.
Oh my god!
Is that... The puller is leather too, Han. So this is leather too,
A
Han.
little bit of leather strapping.
Yan yung binili niya. I thought she's gonna back up.
No, that's not Anita.
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 Anita?
I think it's I for Anita. Anita.
Anita. Yun
Come on,
yung
Zach,
pangalan.
big game,
Ano,
mate.
asawa ng pinsan ni Jen.
Get off your
Is
phone,
Brett
Zach.
here, Han?
He's
No.
coming later.
Oh,
You got to
late.
milk first, train the horses.
Kasi nga, ang business nila milking. Oh, he's gonna do milking first? That's gonna be so cool.
Who? Who?
He doesn't like the socks because it's too long.
Yeah, that'll be right, mate.
It's alright, Zach.
you're too big.
Yeah, I know.
Drink.
Don't.
It's in my way.
I wanna get some hot chocolate, hon.
That's coffee.
Yeah, but I
Well, you want to
hot
go get it now? Just
Yeah, alright.
Go for a walk now. Where is it?
Walang kami ng hot chocolate.
So awkward.
Naririnig na namin yung siren. Mag-start na sila, kuya. How's your hot chocolate, babe? Babe? Baby? Good. Nag-start na sila kuya eh. Look at the guapo Johnny boy. Si kuya pala is number 25. Asan na si kuya? Forward pocket. Ayan si kuya. Oh, kuya. Naiinis na to. Naiinis na to. Binibigyan niya si Sak ng mga tips.
And then I stay.
Yeah, kuya go yan.
Keeping it far.
Don't go on the Santa Claus, eh?
Oh my god.
You're gonna go soon, Sak. You're gonna have a photos.
That was real.
Where's kuya?
Yeah, that was real. Look at that here. Wait, Jay. That was another one, Dad.
Where's kuya? Ayan si kuya. Ayan na si Willowhan.
Yeah.
Ang bilis. Tapos na yung first quarter. Alis na to eh. And nandito si Willow. Manunood. Yung lagi namin kasama pa nagka-caravan life kami. Nandito yung kaibigan ni Sako. And mag-start na yung second quarter. So 2 quarters lang ang game kasi madami. Mayroon din kasing under 17. So sila kuya and Sak is under 15. Then may under 17 ang maglalaro. So una sila kuya under 15. And mamaya si Sak naman. So ang verse nila kuya is Carinara Court versus Limestone. Ayan na. Start na ulit. Doon na ang goal nila kuya. So nandun na si kuya.
Go home, boy.
Good luck. Samahan siya ng kanyang mga friends. Kalaro niya yan, mga sabay. Come on, goal, come on.
Run. Give me a run.
Come on.
TJ, go to the point post. That's right.
Come on, the time is running. Ang score is 13 sa atin, 25 sa kabila. Come on. Go, kuya. Oh. Come on. Oh. Come on. Oh. Oh, come on, kick. Oh. Pick it up and kick. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, too early to jump. Oops. Oh. Oh. Come on, come on, come on.
Yeah,
Oh.
up or shocking then. Really bad. Ticky tack.
Hmm. Oh, he's good, Eddie. Come on, kick! Kick, 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 kick! Come on.
Honey,
Go, kuya!
doing? He's Frank's kid. Yes.
Yes, good job. Oh, finally, the sun is out. Gamit ko na yung Kathmandu ni kuya. Come on. Oh.
TJ, run! Come to the finish. TJ, get a mark.
kuya. Come on, one goal. Yes. Come on. After nito, si Sak na ang maglalaro. And ang ka-verse nila is yung kalaro nila kuya. So wala silang pahinga. Sila kuya makakapag-rest. Come on.
Jesus, I can't pick it up.
Oh. Nakaka-tense ang laro.
Wow.
Kasi short ano lang siya eh. Short game. 2 quarters lang.
Coach TJ,
Come on, come on.
run the other way. Here we go. Oh no, that's off the line.
Oh,
See that on the go there. Can you
Yeah.
run around?
no, he's gonna kick it. See, he's not... Come on. Oh. Nakaka-tense kasi close ang laro. Close ang score. Come on. Ah! Why you punch? Ayun yung score. Oh. 32
Huh?
tayo tapos 28 sa ano.
Who? He's covering the last game.
sa
Said the
kabila.
horses. They stop.
Come on. Oh. Yes. Go, go, go. Kick. Oh. Go, kuya. Yes. Come on, kick. No one's there. Hurry, Eddie. Come on. Oops. Ang lalaki nila. Oh. Uulan na. Oh.
Keep running over there.
Come on, kuya.
Get over there and amongst it.
Oh.
Run back quick. He won't look.
Yeah. Oh, he just gonna kick it there.
No, he just played. There you go.
Come on. Oh. Come on. Umuulan na.
Referee.
Free kick.
Come on, TJ. Just take a hanger.
Nasaan si kuya? Hindi ko na makita si kuya.
Super.
Oh.
Just want to see him get a one-on-one. There he goes. He's got a kick. Go, get in there. Get in there.
Yes. Yes.
No.
Oh, yes. Panalo tayo.
No, well done.
Yeah, we won. Good job, kuya. Tapos na, guys.
Did we win?
Yeah.
Yeah, so under 17 pala muna, then next sila Sak. Tapos yung ka-verse nila kuya ngayon is yun yung makakalaban nila Sak. Punta sila sa canteen ko anong makakain nila. So, maglalaro na yung under 17. Ano to? Naka-cinematic ba tayo? Ayan, hindi na naka-cinematic. Tapos na yung first quarter ng under 17. Baba na tayo kasi si Sak na ang maglalaro against Karinara Court. Ayan yung kulay nila Sak.
He's four.
Sak is number 4.
Yeah.
Same as
Because they all
sa ano niya sa
big, small.
club. Number
Yeah,
4
big,
siya.
he's got the biggest double I've seen.
Ayan yung kalaban nila, yung nakalaban nila kuya kanina. Ayan.
Tell you what, that's-
And mamaya si kuya tsaka si Sak ang maglalaban. So 1 win na sila kuya. Go Saki!
I'll walk you down after we get down the path.
Ang position ni Sak is forward pocket. Wala, laki ng taon niyang Sak. Ayan yung ni Sak babantayan or siya yung babantayan niyang malaki. Go Saki. Oh,
That's raw.
nandun si Sak sa kabila eh.
Hey, hold that, Bob. Watch the footy now.
Where's our goal, Han? This where soccer is. Nasa kalaban yung goal. Lala, naka-goal agad.
That's
Come on. Come on. Buti tumigil yung ulan. Come on. Come on, boys. Go. Come on, come on, come on.
Jack, you're on. You're on, Jack. Sean,
Go,
Zach.
Zach. Oh. Go, Zach.
That's what, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Get in there, Zach. Now the ball. Well, I can honestly say, Willow.
Yes. Naka-goal tayo.
Hang there, Zach. Just right there. Right there. Wait up.
Goes, okay. Whoops, Zach. Oh. Wala, dalawang malaki ang nagtahil kasi Zach. Walan, Zach.
Chest mark, man. Over the top. They're giving now.
Okay. Go, go, go. Oh! Come on. Oh. Go, Sak! Oops! Go, Saki. Go, Sak. Go, Sak. Go, Saki.
Go.
Go, Sak! Oh, get it out.
Good.
Yeah. Goes. Oy.
Bring them in, Mark.
Oops. Come on, kick another goal. There. Oh. Come on, Cade. Oh, si Eddie na naman, Eddie.
Oh.
Yes. Oh, come on. Come on, kick, kick. Oh, shit.
Okay.
Yes. Come on. Come on, Sak. Where are you, Sak? Layo ni Sak kasi
Run,
dun.
go through that. Through the already there. Look. Get run, Zach. Go back.
Sak. Yeah! Oh! Sak, Sak, Sak! Yes! Magkit tayo.
Nice.
Yeah, Mace. From the Bay yan si Mace din. Katim ni Sak sa club.
Mason Allendale. Mason. Allen.
Basic movement.
Yes. Go, 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 go. Oh! One on the ground. Nakahiga siya kanina. Parang natamaan yung kanyang... Okay na siya. Ayun si Sak naghihintay. Andito kasi yung ball sa kabila. Naka-goal. Oh! Akala nila naka-goal, nag-bounce. Ang kabilang team. 1 point. Come on, 17. Yes! Good job. Good mark. Oh! Oh my God. No. Sayang. Go, Sak. Ayo ni Sak. Oops. Where are you, Saki? Come on. Oh. Go, Saki. Tapos na yung first quarter. Ano tayo? Leading tayo. By 1 goal.
If I could be a paradise.